These are the types of glasses. Goblet or chalice, coffee mug, yard glass, white wine glass, pint glass, cocktail glass, Pilsner glass, Collins glassware, shot glass, flute glass, sherry glass, beer stain, pet glass, old-fashioned glass, pitcher, Irish coffee cup, tulip glass, snifter, champagne glass, red wine glass, highball glass, sweet beer glass,